Hi guys, we're in front of the Nadal. Nice little hotel, right on the seafront. Got a lovely little terrace. See, right down on the front. And then above that, to show you. Hope that's coming out, guys. And then behind that, we have the Benny Cactus with its nice bar there. Kind of looks a bit like a greenhouse with the roof, glass roof. Just imagine it'd be quite warm under there, unless that's where they have their pool. I don't know, guys. If you've stopped in either of these hotels, let me know what you thought of them. The steps going up there. And then you've got these lovely apartments here as well. Nice little Italian restaurant just there as well, guys. So like everywhere in UK and in Europe, we do have a match. You can see, pretty busy. People getting a cold drink and ice cream. Don't blame them. I think that's what I'll be doing later on. I'm certainly getting a cold drink. And behind that, we have, Burger King, right next to each other. Bit daft really, putting them next to one another, but that's Benidorm for you. So if you've been on the beach and you fancy a quick bite to eat, just jump across to McDonald's or Burger King. Then if you fancy something maybe a bit more traditional, a bit Spanish, we have got Roman there on the corner for traditional food. Sometimes have a bit of entertainment in there as well. More your Spanish menu in there. That's just next to the Hotel Breezer there. And then, of course, we have the cable ski and wakeboard. Been going since 1966. Wow, guys. There it is, out in the sea. Got a few people are going out on the boats. I don't know whether you can just see in the distance. A few people going out on the ski. I don't know whether that's coming up. We provide you with all your life jackets and everything, guys. The only thing is you have to wade out in the sea then, up to the cable ski platform or out to the boats, whatever you're going out in. But great fun. You want to get out onto the sea. Just out front of the indoor market. Lots of bargains to be had inside, and you can get your money exchanged in there into euros. There's also butchers in there as well. Get clothing in there, electrical items. Go and take a look, guys. And next we have the Sol sister hotel, the Sol Pelícanos. Now we've got the Sol Pelícanos. See, the coach has just done a drop-off, Jet 2. Everybody's just going in. Sol Pelícanos, of course, again, used in the Benidorm TV series. Let me know if you've stayed here and what you thought.